David Iml Tv, and I want to thank you so much for taking the time out to actually watch this video. Over the next few moments that we spend together, I believe that we'll be able to share with you some information that can make a huge difference in your life. And I don't just say that just to say it. I say that because it's made a huge difference in my life, but more importantly, it's made a huge difference in the lives of tens of thousands of people all around the world. It was just a short time ago that we actually looked at the same information that you're about to see right now, and we were just blown away. We were excited about the possibilities of what could happen, and I could tell you that it has happened, and it continues to happen. This company has literally changed the lives of many people from all different walks of life, all different parts of the world. People are actually seeing a huge difference within their finances because of what this company actually has to offer. You know, years ago when I became an entrepreneur, I got exposed to information that would transform the way that I thought about business, about money, about life. And one of those individuals that really made a huge difference was Robert Kiyosaki. He actually wrote the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and he actually created the Cashflow Quadrant, where he really broke down the 4 different areas money was actually earned. You know, growing up, we're all taught go to school, get good grades, graduate, go out and get a good job, right? And that's why most of us are in that employee quadrant. 60% of the world participate in where they actually exchange their time, their efforts for money. But a lot of people are realizing today that that is very dangerous to do, because eventually we're all going to run out of time. So you run out of time, you automatically run out of money. Well, some people say, well, David, I'm self-employed. I work for myself. But that's great, but your income is completely dependent on who? You. If you're not there to provide that job or to do that service, then your income is pretty much obsolete. So what Robert has taught us, and what we want to show you today, is how you can make that shift from the left side of money to the right side of money and become a business owner, where now you have the ability to leverage. Leverage what? Leverage time, leverage systems, more importantly, leverage the efforts of other people. I believe it was J. Paul Getty that said it best. I would rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts versus 100% of my own efforts. But you know what? We're really not going to focus so much on that business owner quadrant. We're going to help you get there. But we really want to focus on that last quadrant that you see right there, the investor quadrant. Only 1% of the world sees the value in having money work for them. See, we've been taught to go and work for money. We want to show you today how to have money start working for you within the largest financial market in the world today. Now, I want you to grab a pen. If you're not taking notes already, I want you to write this down. I'm going to give you 2 philosophies on money that you probably never heard before. Number 1, money grows on trees. I know you were taught that money doesn't grow on trees, but that's actually not true, because money is made out of paper, and paper comes from trees, right? Next philosophy is that money is a seed. So money is really meant for planting. It's meant for multiplication, and that is exactly what we want to show you here today. Now, there's so many different ways that you can get into the investor quadrant. You can invest in the stock market, you can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in real estate. But by far, the fastest way to multiply money in the world today is within the foreign exchange market. We're talking about Forex. We're talking about a $5.3 trillion per day financial market. By far, the largest financial market in the world. You look at the New York Stock Exchange, they trade about $22.5 billion every single day. The foreign exchange market trades $5.3 trillion, and that's on average. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about our banks. We're talking about our governments. We're talking about those hedge funds that you never get a phone call about. They're the ones that are the major players in this wealth transfer that's taking place every single day. Literally 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, you have trillions of dollars being exchanged. Now, all of us that's watching this video right now, you already participate in the world of Forex. You do. When you traveled out of the country, you exchange your currency for that country's currency. So you participated in Forex. If you have a bank account, you're actually participating in Forex right now as we speak, because the banks are using our money to actually trade it and actually multiply it. It's pretty ingenious when you think about it, but now we want to show you how you can actually do that for yourself. You know, right now today, if you wanted to get your hands on first-class Forex education, you're going to be paying tens of thousands of dollars to do just that. And that's where iMarketsLive was born. This is where Chris Terry, the CEO of our company, decided almost 6 years ago now, he decided that, you know what, I'm going to make this education more affordable. I'm going to give the average ordinary person from all different parts of the world the opportunity to get their hands on a skill set that can never be taken away from them. I want you to write this word down, learn. learn, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you look at that word, the last 4 letters spell earn. Whatever it is that you learn, you now have the ability to earn in it. And that's why I'm so excited to actually bring this information to you. Our company right now is completely debt-free. Company's fully operational in many different countries around the world. This company provides many different services and products that are all owned by iMarketsLive. Pretty remarkable what our company's been able to put together here. The leadership team that we have, absolutely remarkable. When you talk about Isis De La Torre, our CFO in this company, you talk about Alex Morton, Yvonne Tapia, Jason Brown, and obviously our CEO, Christopher Terry. You're talking about some of the very best of the best in their area of expertise. Christopher Terry has been actually trading for over 25 years. So he's the gentleman who's put together this educational platform that's literally transforming lives around the world. Now I want to share this with you real quickly because I want to set the record straight. Our company, iMarketsLive, is not an investment company. We're not a trading company. We're not going to take your money and trade it for you. That is not what IML, the company, actually does. What we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to empower you, we're going to enrich you, and we're going to educate you on the largest financial market in the world, which is Forex, and in cryptocurrency. And ladies and gentlemen, the key word that I want you to pay attention to is educate. Specifically, we're going to educate 1 million customers. That is our first goal that we actually set for ourselves a few years back. Now, let me share with you how we're actually going to do this. We're going to do it through the power of you. We're going to do it through the power of you deciding that you want to learn this. Now, you've been listening to me this whole time and you're thinking, David, I know nothing about Forex. It's okay. I felt the same way too. But here's the question I had to ask myself, and I'm going to ask you that same question right now. In the last 10 years, the last 5 years, the amount of money that's flowed through your bank account, how much money have you actually made on it? 9 out of 10 people that I've talked to, the answer has been none. So what if there was a way, what if there was a skill that you could actually learn that would actually teach you how to multiply the money that you currently have right now? Is that something you would see value in? Is that something that you could get excited about? Now, let me share another really footnote with you here. I've been in this industry now for 15 years. I love the industry of networking, but there are a lot of people that don't have success. As a matter of fact, 97% of the people that get involved in network marketing companies have no success. So what I saw here with IML was that there was another way. That if a person did not want to go out and build a team, if they didn't want to go out there and sell a particular product, nothing wrong with that, but if they just didn't have the skill set or the leadership skills or the motivation to want to talk to their friends, family members, coworkers, there was still a real opportunity for them to create financial independence for themselves through learning a skill set. See, that got me excited. And guys, I can tell you right now, there are literally thousands upon thousands upon thousands of testimonies of people, average ordinary people like you and I, that have actually created financial freedom for themselves just by learning this skill set through the IML educational platform. So here's what I want to share with you. We put together a myriad amount of different services that are designed to do 2 things: for you to learn and earn. Everything starts with IML Academy. IML Academy is a complete Forex mastery course that we've actually put together that's really designed to help you become a more complete, profitable trader. We actually put this together so it takes you from the basics of Forex all the way up to the advanced. So now you get a chance to learn from expert traders from all around the world and get the skill set that you need. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you wanted to get this, you're paying tens of thousands of dollars for a weekend session. But this is available to you 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So you can always go back and review the information because it's all archived, available for you whenever you choose to actually plug into IML Academy. Now, you couple that with Iml TV. Now, what's Iml TV? We're talking about close to 1,000 hours a month of live training and trading, where we have experts and traders from all around the world, educators, trading in live markets where you can actually watch and learn. You can actually see the strategies that they're using. You can see the tools, the indicators that they're actually utilizing to win in the world of Forex. Now, here's what a lot of our customers do. They actually enter into some of those trades as well, so they're able to be profitable while they're actually learning as well. Really remarkable product right there. And then our company's put together some softwares that assist you in winning in the world of Forex even faster and more efficiently, starting with our Harmonic Scanner. Ladies and gentlemen, this is by far probably the most profitable service that we have. We're talking about artificial intelligence that literally scans the markets looking for high probability trade opportunities. And when it finds it, it actually sends you the information. All the pertinent information that you would need to actually place that trade, the entry point, the stop loss, the take profit, it's all available through that particular scanner. Ladies and gentlemen, we have one of our educators place 900 separate trades utilizing the Harmonic Scanner. Over 800 of those trades came back as winning trades. Then we also added the web analyzer, and it does exactly what I just said. It analyzes the markets, and all it's looking for are precision trade entries. It's looking for the right price for you to actually get into that trade. Remarkable, because when you go through IML Academy and IML TV, one of the skills that you will know you need to have is knowing when to get into a trade. The web analyzer allows you to do that even more effectively. This is a built-in algorithm that we actually created through our company here. Now, let's talk about some of the other services that we have. We've created a gold cup strategy that you can utilize. We've created a bounce back strategy that you can utilize. But here's a powerful one for you here. We have a night owl session where now you get a chance to have personal coaching and mentorship directly from Christopher Terry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is pretty remarkable, because if you wanted to get access to someone that had that type of knowledge, it would cost you a pretty penny. We also have a product called the Swipe Coin. Now, Swipe Coin and Swipe Trades, this is a copy and paste technology that we've actually put together, where it's an app that you can actually download on your phone, where now you receive an alert on your phone about a possible trade that you can actually get involved in. Now, this is for educational purposes, so you can either accept it or you can decline it. If you accept it, ladies and gentlemen, all you do is copy and paste it onto your trading platform, and now you have the ability to be profitable from the expertise of someone else. All the services that we put together, guys, are really designed for you to learn and earn. That's the key. And now it doesn't require you to go out and build an organization. It doesn't require you to go out there and sell anything. All it requires is a little bit of desire, a little bit of work ethic, and you saying, I want to learn the skill set. 90 days, 6 months, a year, 18 months within IML Academy, IML TV, learning how to use the Harmonic Scanner, the web analyzer. I believe those 18 months will do more for you financially than maybe the 4 years that you actually spent in college. Ladies and gentlemen, I am just blown away by what's already taking place with our company. And what we've done here is we've made it so seamless and simple for you to actually get started as a customer with our company. We put together 2 packages that are available for you to actually get started with today. Now, I want to let you know the training and the support is going to be available to you. The person that invited you on this call, they're going to connect you with a coach. They're going to connect you with one of our chairman leaders that's going to walk you through this entire process so you can be successful within our company. We're not looking for people to join iMarketsLive. We're looking for people to be successful in iMarketsLive. And for you to be successful, you're going to need that support and that training, and we're going to provide that. Now, how do you get yourself started? It's very simple. We put together 2 packages that are very simple for a person to start today. We have an elite package, which is $325. Now, this package right here, this is what majority of the traders or the customers that say, you know what? I want to learn everything. I want to get the full-fledged everything about iMarketsLive. I want to get it today. And you can actually do that. You can see all the services that it actually comes with. Your monthly subscription there to start will be $274 per month for all of the services that we've actually put together. Also, we have another package, and this is a $225 package that you can actually start with. And your monthly subscription there will be $165 per month to actually start there. Now, here's what our company's actually put together. We have a 2 and free program. So let's just say you start at the elite package, right? And you sponsor 2 other people that start with the elite package. Guess what? We will actually suspend your monthly subscription. It's now completely free for you and your family. Let's say you started at the second package, $225, and you enrolled 2 people at that same package. Guess what? Your monthly subscription is now completely eliminated. So let me get this straight. I get a chance to learn and earn in the largest financial market in the world completely for free, just by sharing the concept with 2 people that say they also want to learn and earn. Guys, this was a no-brainer. What does that mean? Even if you don't have a brain, it still makes sense, all right? So we've had so many people take advantage of these 2 packages here. Choose the one that you feel best suits what it is that you want to experience here with iMarketsLive. I want you to get back with the person that invited you to watch this video. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell people all the time, you don't fail in life because of a lie that was told to you. You typically fail in life because of the truth that was told to you that you just chose not to believe. And ladies and gentlemen, we have told you the truth today. It is your choice to believe it and go out there and succeed. We're going to be there with you, to walk with you, run with you, work with you, to help you accomplish your goals here with iMarketsLive. We have another opportunity, because this is a dual thread opportunity, but it'll be on the next video, and that's completely optional for you if you want to actually see that part. But if you're ready to get started with us, get back with the person that invited you, get yourself started right away, and I definitely will see you at the top because you deserve it. Good day, and God bless.